Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Mechanical Stream. Today we have some exciting news to share with all of you aspiring data analysts out there. IBM has launched a free data analyst certification course that could be your ticket to a promising career in data analysis. In this video, we will dive into all the details you need to know about this fantastic opportunity. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Let's jump right in. IBM, a global technology giant, and has long been a leader in data analytics and artificial intelligence. They are known for their innovative solutions and cutting edge technology. Now, they are offering a free certification course to help you become a certified data analyst. Let's take a closer look at what this course entails. So, friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the IBM Skill Build. So, you can see here we are going to check this data analyst course. So, below, friend, you can see to thrive, companies must leverage data to understand, train, predict outcomes, and innovate. And data experts are instrumental to helping companies to achieve this. On this learning path, gain skills and apply analytic tools to analyze data, predict outcomes, and visualize result professionally. And friend, there are many you can see features of this course is available. So first you can see, friend, it is a completely free. Yes, you heard that right. This course is absolutely free of charge, making it accessible to everyone interested in data analytics. And friend, also it is a self-paced learning, means you can learn at your own pace, which means you can balance your studies, job with your existing commitments. And friend, you can see after completion of this course, you will get the certification and you will receive a valuable IBM data analyst certification that can boost your career prospect and your resume. So friend, it is a very good opportunity. So please grab it. So friend, once you scroll down, then you can see here uncover key insights to help companies make critical decisions. So friend, you can see there are various job opportunities are available for the different roles in which data is required. So you can see some of the job roles are given, like you can see data analyst, then business intelligence analyst, then data scientist you can see, then quantitative analyst, operation analyst, and data analytic consultant. So this type of job role required your knowledge in data analyst training. So, and friend, also you can see the data field is a very growing field, and you can see by 2025 there will be around 137,630 data science job openings in India, and rising from 62,793 jobs in 2020. And you can see the market for data analysts is growing fast, and with 35% growth anticipated from 2021 to 31 in the United States. So friend, it is a very good information, and you can see here what types of skills you will improve here. So you can see this course will take you through the core skills required for a rewarding role in data. Among other things, you will learn how to understand data science and methodologies and the data scientist profession. Then you will use common data science tools, languages, and libraries. Then you have to import and clean data sets. So friend, cleaning is required because all the data available in raw form. So you have to clean it. Then you have to analyze visual data and build machine learning models with Python. Then you have to apply data science skills, techniques, and tools to a final project and report. So friend, this type of things you will be learn here. And at the end you will get the, you can see a small sample is given. This type of certificate you will get. And you can see they have given an verified professional credential. So digital credentials are verified proof of your subject matter expertise, and once you earn your credentials from IBM, you can share them on your LinkedIn page or your resume or potential employer will review your credential to validate your competency in critical skills area. So friend, these are the requirement is given, and you can see the course journey is given. That is, the first is awareness, in which you will learn the basis of data. Then comprehension means you have to dive into the field and demonstrate your new skills. And application, learn about applying your new skills on the job with project based earnings. So friend, these are the some information given. So you have the question in mind that how you will get these certificates. And friend, before going to check how you will get this certificate, if you're not subscribed to our channel Mechanical Stream, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, internship, opportunities video, and interview tips related videos. So please subscribe Mechanical Stream. And friend, now you probably wondering how to enroll in these courses. It is quite simple. So you have to visit IBM official website or their online learning platform. So friend, I have given the link in the description box, and once you open it, then this type of page will open. So you can see here, start learning for free. You can see here icon is given, so you have to simply click on that. And friend, once you click, then new window will open. So you can see here, and you can see here multiple options are given for creating login. So we are going to check through any one option. So we are going through this login with email option. And once you click on that, friend, then you will come to this page. And so friend, you can see if you have not created an account on this IPM skill page, so you can see here you have to first create an account. For that, you have to click on this sign up. And friend, once you click on this sign up, you can see here, then you can see a small form will open, which we have to fill in. So you have to enter your first name, then you have to enter your last name. Then friend, you can see you have to enter your email address, you have to create one password and then confirm it. And you have to click on this sign up. And friend, once you click on this sign up, your ID will be created, and then you can simply log in. And friend, I have already logged in, so I will show you how it will look on your account. So you can see here I have already logged in, and here you can see I have enrolled in this data fundamentals course. So once you friend click on that, so next page will open, and you can see here. And you can read about this course is given, that is this credential learners demonstrate knowledge of data analytics concepts, their methodologies and applications of data science, and the tools of and programming languages used in data ecosystem. And the individual has a conceptual understanding of how to clean, refine, and visualize data using IBM Watson Studio. And the earner of this certificate is aware of the job outlook in data, is familiar with the skills required for success in various roles in domain. And friend, you can see here the earning criteria is given for the certification. So you can see first you have to complete a data fundamental course, then you have to pass the graded quizzes and final assessment and complete the practice simulations. And friend, after completing these type of things, you will get these certificates. So here you can see the learning plan is given. So like you can see data fundamental, then data analyst, your future in technology. So friend, using that you can complete this course and get the certificates. And friend, it is a very good opportunity for you to increase your knowledge. So please grab it. So friend, IBM free data analyst certification course is an incredible opportunity to kickstart your data analyst career. With the right dedication and effort, you can earn a valuable certification that could open doors to exciting job opportunities. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your data analyst journey. Thank you.